Hey, don't look up her skirt.
Hi again, I'm Pierre. Welcome to the garage. This episode is more like the last week activities. Not much machining though. My buddy and friend Philippe from Phil's Projects. His dream just became reality. He's so awaited the late Garziano Sag 12. Just is back from Dover, Pennsylvania. So we hooked up the trailer and hauled it back. For us, it's about a 2,000 kilometer round trip. Kind of a 2-day trip. Also, we had the chance to visit the Harbor Freight, the famous Harbor Freight store, and it's the Americans hate and love relationship with the store. Well, that was fun. Two Canadians in a candy store. A few clips of that too. Also, among the lucky ones that got the little red box, coming from California. This is Randy's scribe tool. I mean, I'm readily impressed. I'm speechless. I mean, it's a very nice piece of craftsmanship. A name written on it, serial number, Randy Richard in the shop. I mean, I'm very, very impressed. And if someone wants one, Randy is, I'm pretty sure, will love spending days and nights on his lathe and, on the production run. Go see his channel, and I think you you can tell him I sent you. And no discount. But that'll please him. Also, Chris from the old man shop, Chris B257. He had a few, very few stickers made, but I'm honored to have one of those. And if you want to go see Chris's channel, I think you might enjoy a few of his projects and what he has to share with all of us. So with no further delays, let's go to see a few clips of the activities of the last week.
Yellow, yellow.
Hey, salut!
Ben, ça va? Long time no see.
Man.
Ça fait un mois que je t'ai pas vu.
Checker ta boîte à lettres. Check your mailbox lately.
Non? Ouais.
Regarde ce que j'ai reçu.
Ah ouais? Ah!
Ça va beau en tabarnouche. Viens voir ça, regarde. Check ça.
Ça, c'est le scribe.
Super nice scribe. Oh oui.
Nice shop. Oh, nice.
Not bad, eh?
Yeah. Oh, cool. Mine too.
Hein?
C'est mien, ça.
What? How come yours? Mais non.
Ah ouais.
Where's mine? There's only
My
one.
house.
Fuck, you mixed them up?
Moi, je pense pas. Tu t'as envoyé l'autre. Qu'est-ce qu'on dit comme toi?
Nice scribe, eh?
Comment est-ce qu'il fait de colorer ça?
Ben, tu mets la peinture dedans.
Après ça, tu le skin. That's it.
Ouais. Je pense que j'ai le mien aussi.
Une chance, hein? C'est pas grave, il était à mon nom. Sorry for you, but...
Can't keep it, eh?
Ouais.
We're lucky ones.
Ouais.
Ah,
cool.
Tiens.
This is all the way from California.
That's a guy from the network that just makes that.
Yeah.
That's yours.
What's this, a brass punch?
No, no, not a punch. It's a scribe.
Scribe.
What's a scribe?
You use it to mark metal. Like it'll scratch a line.
Oh.
See?
It's very, very hard metal.
Pointy too.
Yeah, well.
You want to scribe something? You can scribe on something pretty hard, and it won't go.
So you do like this, and then you go. And you get a nice.
Oh. There you go. You even got your certificate with that, with your
Certificate
serial
of
number.
authenticity.
There's a serial number,
Right.
everything on this. There you go. And don't run away with mine.
Hi, Sharp Ones, merci. That's why he didn't take my money.
Same thank you.
Hey, thanks, Randy.
Thanks, Randy. was waiting for it. It's
Awesome.
Philippe's son.
My son, Patrick. You're being filmed, by the way.
Oh,
You're going to be on YouTube. Hi, everybody. Happy egotistical road trip today. Pierre was very kind and accompanied me on the 700-mile trip to Dover, Pennsylvania, where I'm picking up my lathe. It's a SAG 12, a nice little lathe. Good reputation for precision and everything. It just needs a bit of TLC when I get back home. And well, we're getting closer, about a half hour out from the destination, and well, maybe we will make a few clips of getting this thing loaded on the trailer and maybe shaking a hand or two. Well, let me turn you around. We've got about 200 meters to go, so we're almost there. I don't know if the guy wants to be filmed or what the case is, but we'll see what we can do. Great, thank you.
Right, thank you, appreciate it.
Hey, how's it going?
Yep. Y'all take care, right?
You do. Much fun with it. I don't know why the 2x4's bent like that.
Hope we don't meet you on the road later because we're stalling something.
Yeah, your phone number on here? Can you come get me up? 10 miles from the Canadian border and the thing fell over.
Oh no. We don't want that. That's the last thing we need.
I have a digging iron if you need that to help with your tools to do
Oh yeah?
it.
Like that big
It's not one from the old days, but it's a digging iron.
That could be.
Two Canadians at a Harbor Freight.
Yeah, christening our first visit. The liquidation sale. Wallet killer. Huh? Wallet killer.
Why?
Liquidation sale.
I can blow the rest of my US cash.
Tiens, Philippe, magazine.
Yeah. Come on, Pierre. We gotta get going.
No, not finished. No pressure me in the tool store.
Come on.
No pressure me in the toys, boys. Boys' toys.
Yeah, look at that boy with his toys.
Yeah, happy camper.
I got a packet too.
You get filmed to pack it. Don't break my stuff, please.
Powder coating.
Yeah.
Gonna powder coat the lathe.
Okay.
I think you need a bigger oven.
I got pink colors, sir. All the cans I got was pink on special.
It's not an étau, it's a vice.
Device. No, but it's a device for turning. You know, though, playing
That's a
with
really good deal though.
playing with words.
I must admit. What?
Okay, that's it. We're going.
Hey, don't look up her skirt.
In 100 meters, turn right on Little Road.
That's by Harbor Freight.
Bye Harbor Freight, and GPS says 7 hours and 8 minutes without
Turn
stops.
right on Little Road.
And 784 kilometers, so we'll have to get the nasty subtitler to do some conversion.
Yeah, let him do.
Turn left to I-283 north.
Yeah, I can read signs. Stupid ninny.
slow down if you don't want to pick up the lathe on that side and manufacture more handles.
Nice and slow, without falling on the backside, so. Then make a new electrical panel, yeah. Here we go, I-83 to I-81 and then all the way home.
Hein? Un beau sourire. Il vente en tabarnouche. Riders on the storm again. Yeah. Every time we go out, it rains. Canadian border. They usually don't intend to laugh, so.
Oh, no border guy does.